So here's something interesting. Every year, foldable phones seem to be getting better, stronger, and a little smarter. But now it looks like Samsung might be aiming for something a lot more extreme. Instead of only focusing on power or design, it looks like they might be going all in on one thing most people don't even think about: weight. And if these new leaks are even remotely true, Samsung might be trying to pull off something that honestly sounds borderline impossible. We're talking about the Galaxy Z Fold 8 and the Galaxy Z Flip 8, 8 phones that are still months away, but leaks have already started getting wild. One of the biggest claims going around right now is that Samsung could massively drop the weight of both devices, and not like a tiny difference where you'd barely feel it. We're talking about changes big enough that if you picked the phones up blindfolded, you'd instantly know something is different. Right now, the Z Fold sits somewhere above the 200-gram mark and the Z Flip hovers close to the 190s. Pretty normal for foldables, right? But this new report from Korea claims Samsung might be trying to bring the Fold down to around 200 grams while pushing a much bigger battery inside. And the Flip? That's the crazy part. Some rumors are saying Samsung is aiming for around 150 grams. That's lighter than most normal, non-foldable flagships today. For a foldable, that sounds insane. To put it into perspective, shaving off a few grams in smartphones is already hard. Brands spend months working on materials, structure, hinges, cooling, and batteries just to cut maybe 5 or 6 grams. So when someone suddenly claims a reduction of more than 30 grams on a foldable, it naturally raises eyebrows. Even well-known leakers are already questioning it, saying it sounds too optimistic. And honestly, I kind of agree. A lighter body, stronger hinge, plus a bigger battery? Something has to give. Then there are other more realistic leaks saying, yeah, Samsung is working to reduce the weight, but not by anything that dramatic. Maybe around 5 to 10 grams lighter instead of something extreme. And that feels far more believable, because there's still physics involved. You can't just magically make batteries weightless or hinges thinner without affecting durability. And that's where things actually get interesting. Because if Samsung really does manage to make these phones lighter, even a little bit, while improving battery life and maybe durability too, that's a huge deal. Foldables right now already feel solid, but a lot of people still complain that they're too bulky, too heavy, or uncomfortable for long-term daily use. A meaningful drop in weight could genuinely make them feel way closer to normal phones, which is honestly what foldables need if they're ever going to fully replace regular smartphones. But at the same time, I'd personally rather have a slightly heavier phone that lasts all day than a super light one that constantly needs charging. There's a balance, and Samsung needs to be careful not to chase numbers just for marketing. So yeah, right now, these are leaks, not confirmations. Things change, plans get scrapped, and sometimes these early reports are either exaggerated or misunderstood. But if Samsung is genuinely experimenting with lighter materials, redesigned internals, and better engineering to make foldables feel more natural in the hand, then the Fold 8 and Flip 8 could end up being way more exciting than we expected. But what do you think? Would you actually care about a foldable being significantly lighter? Or are things like battery, durability, and features still more important for you? Let me know what you'd pick. I'll keep an eye on this, and if anything more solid drops, I'll break it down for you guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.